Hello and welcome! In this video, we will explain how to program a delayed alarm reset on the Cerberus Fit FC360 Fire panel. Please note that the delayed alarm reset function does not fulfill the EN54-2 standard as regards the following aspects. The detector could be reset at access level 1, and a fire signal from a detector could delay the indication of the fire alarm condition by more than 10 seconds. Make sure to check whether this is allowed in your local code of practice before using this function. If a fire detector was activated accidentally, for example while cooking, the tenant or the owner of the house has a predefined time to press the self-reset button. The default time is 60 seconds. There is a second predefined time to eliminate the root cause of the alarm. When the detector no longer reports the alarm, no global alarm will be triggered and no sounder will be activated. In case the local alarm reset button is not pressed within the predefined time, or the detector is still active when the second predefined time has expired, a global alarm will then be triggered. Depending on the configuration, the sounder will be activated and the fire brigade will be called. For the activation of the function on the detector, connect to your panel and select the Detection and Control tab. First, set the AVC function on the detector to on. Next, the input for the local alarm reset button needs to be configured. Change the device type to Auto Alarm Device and enter the same device number as the detector. Change the usage of the input to Trigger Isolate. If needed, the time for both delays can be changed in the Other Settings tab. The time for delay alarm is the time which will delay the alarm when the local alarm reset button is pressed. The confirm for delay alarm is the time during which the detector must be in normal state. It can also be defined how often the second counter can be initiated to eliminate the root cause. Please make sure that the AVC T1 time in the Side tab is greater than the time for delay alarm. As the last step, apply the configuration to the panel and test the application.